Bom dia. Dispensame que mi no papiamento ainda, pero lo me enseño más. Shalom. I am Rabbina Georgette Kennebrae, the Rabbi of Mikveh Israel Emmanuel in Punda. I am blessed to be here on the island of Curacao with all of you as we build our homes, our lives, and relationships moving through this COVID pandemic. Jewish tradition teaches that God gives each of us the ability to choose, of human agency and free will. It is a gift that we cherish and one that we honor and comes with responsibility. In saying that, I want to note that we must grapple with our faith, grapple with our text, grapple with our understanding as we make decisions on how to take the COVID vaccine. With that in mind, I would like to share 3 Jewish values that have grounded and guided my decision as a Jewish leader to take the COVID vaccine. The first Jewish value is that of pikuach nefesh. It is a Hebrew term which means protecting and saving lives. Our Jewish tradition has lots of regulations and prohibitions that we honor, but even on Shabbat, our holiest of days, we are allowed to set that aside if it means that we can protect human life. And by taking the COVID vaccine, I feel that we're able to protect ourselves and those around us. The second Jewish value is Kol Yisrael Aravim Ze Bazeh, which means that all Israel is responsible for one another. I believe this means that our brothers and sisters, we're responsible for each other and our community, whether we know each other or not. By taking on the responsibility of taking the COVID vaccination, I believe that we are able to protect not only ourselves, but those within our midst who are not able to due to illness or being medically, having medical underlying conditions or are too young. By doing the vaccination, we're able to add an additional layer of protection for those who are more vulnerable, and that is our ability to give that gift and that safety. And the third Jewish value is chesed, loving kindness. It has been a challenging year for all of us, both on the island and those around the world. We long to be in community in the ways that we knew. We want to be in one another's presence. We want to move forward. By taking a vaccine, it is the opportunity to put that loving kindness in action and to help partner and to collaborate together to be able to get back to a Curacao that we know and that we love and to be in relationship with one another and our presence. Judaism believes very deeply in gratitude and blessing. Many have the practice of doing 100 blessings a day. And I want to share that this vaccine has been so important for so many Jewish individuals and communities around the world that specific blessings for taking the vaccine have been created. And so I want to offer as an idea as you grapple with this decision to know that we can take it from an ordinary decision, from a medical decision, and elevate it to a sacred and holy decision. That even in the moment of receiving the vaccine, we can mark it in a holy time, in a holy space, knowing that we're partnering with God and with our community to keep us safe and to create the Curacao that we know. Masha Danki.